Hey everyone, checking out Blocs, a website builder just for Macs. Designed for designers, developers, and creatives, Blocs lets you build pixel-perfect websites, code-free. It's visual, yet exports clean HTML and CSS, giving you creative control without platform lock-in. Build with pre-designed blocks, stack them, customize them. It's a modular system for responsive sites, fast. Tons of templates and content blocks get you started quickly. Drag and drop, or add custom code and integrate third-party tools for advanced customization. Blocs is all about performance and independence. Build offline, export your site, host it anywhere. Total ownership. Preview your responsive design on different devices. SEO tools help optimize metadata, URLs, and images for better search ranking. Now, it's not as beginner-friendly as Wix or Squarespace. Some design knowledge helps. And it's Mac only. But if you value creative freedom, clean code, and hosting flexibility, Blocs is powerful. Perfect for portfolios, landing pages, or custom business sites. Check the description for links and more details. Hope this helps you decide if Blocs is right for you.